Homeowners in Sugar Land are always looking for ways to enhance comfort, boost curb appeal, and increase the overall value of their homes. One upgrade that has rapidly gained popularity across the area is modern slider windows. These sleek, easy-to-operate windows offer a refreshing blend of style, efficiency, and practicality, making them an ideal choice for both new builds and home renovation projects. Smoother functionality for everyday living. One of the biggest reasons Sugar Land homeowners are choosing slider windows is their simple, effortless operation. Unlike traditional windows that require lifting or cranking, slider windows glide horizontally along a track. This smooth design makes them perfect for homeowners who want easy access to fresh air without the hassle. They're especially convenient for hard-to-reach areas like above kitchen sinks, over bathtubs, or in tight hallways. With just a gentle push, they're open, creating better airflow and helping maintain a more comfortable indoor environment. Energy efficiency that fits Sugar Land's climate. Sugar Land is known for its hot summers and humidity, which means energy-efficient upgrades are more important than ever. Modern slider windows are built with advanced insulation features, including double or triple pane glass low emissivity coatings, durable, insulated frames. These features help reduce heat transfer, keeping cool air inside during summer and warm air in during the rare chilly season. The result? A more comfortable home and potentially lower monthly energy bills. Many homeowners are pleasantly surprised by how much more stable their indoor temperatures feel after making the switch. A sleek, modern look that elevates your home. Curb appeal matters, especially in a community as visually appealing as Sugar Land. Slider windows offer a clean, contemporary look that complements a wide range of home styles, from classic brick houses to modern stucco designs. Their expansive glass area allows more natural light to pour into your home, instantly brightening your space and making rooms feel more open and inviting. Inside the home, the minimalistic frames and wide viewing area create an elegant backdrop to your decor. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just looking to refresh your windows, slider windows offer a stylish upgrade that feels current and timeless. Better views and more natural light. Sugar Land homeowners love natural light, and slider windows are designed to maximize it. Their wide glass panels offer expanded outdoor views, making your living space feel more connected to your landscaping, backyard, or patio. This is especially appealing for homeowners who enjoy hosting, relaxing on the weekends, or simply enjoying a more scenic atmosphere throughout their home. More natural light can also make your home feel warmer and more inviting, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Durability and low maintenance. Modern slider windows are designed to withstand daily wear and tear, even in regions with high humidity and intense heat. Their simple mechanics mean fewer parts that can break or fail. Additionally, most slider windows feature removable sashes, making cleaning fast and convenient both inside and out. For busy families or homeowners who want long-lasting value without constant upkeep, this is a major advantage. A smart long-term investment. Upgrading to slider windows offers a strong return on investment. In addition to lower utility costs and improved comfort, these windows make your home more attractive to potential buyers. Energy-efficient, low-maintenance upgrades are always a selling point, and slider windows check all those boxes. For Sugar Land homeowners wanting a stylish, practical, and energy-efficient upgrade, modern slider windows are a smart and rewarding choice. Whether you're improving comfort, updating your home's look, or preparing for the future, slider windows deliver benefits you can enjoy every day.